Hey everybody, I'm Holly, aka the Scientology, and I have an unboxing. I don't feel like setting up the tripod and doing all this shit over here on the table, so I'm literally just going to open it right here in my lap and just show you guys what I got. I do also want to show you one thing that I got earlier today. Today I got 6 issues of Ron magazine. So I have Ron the writer, have Ron the Humanitarian, Rehabilitating a Drugged Society. So that's all about Narconon and the drug purification program. I've got Ron the Philosopher, issue number 2, The Spirit of Man. I've got Letters and Journals, Early Years of Adventure. So this is stuff he wrote when he was younger. I've got The Humanitarian, Freedom Fighter, Articles and Essays, as well as Ron the Adventurer and Explorer, Daring Deeds and Unknown Realms. We will look into these later, but let's just get started with this package. First things first. So this is from a former member in Texas who has sent me a box previously. These are all older versions of Scientology materials. So I'm looking forward to seeing what I got. So we have notes on the lectures, which looks like it refers to what lectures? This book was compiled in 1950 by the staff of the Hubbard Dianetic Research Foundation of California from the lectures and notes of L. Ron Hubbard. So this comes from the LA lecture series and the Oakland lecture series. So this is all kind of summarized into these small little things. We have Mission into Time, which is all about past lives, and Hubbard going with Sea Org members to look for treasure that he may have buried in previous lifetimes. So, we have, I never even heard of this book, Dianetics Today. I don't know what's so special about this, but there's a lot of notes in here. Book 2, Book 1, How to Study Dianetics. All this old stuff. Magic of Communication, TRs, End Phenomena, so Dianetic Auditing, R3R procedure. So this is actually going to be very useful for this exploration. Case numbers, personally CS'd sessions, so summary reports, cases, examiner forms. Got a lot of personally CS'd sessions. Dianetics Today from 19... This one is from 75, I believe. So, I don't think they sell this book anymore. Got the Personal Integrity course, which as a life improvement course, which is going to have different code of honor, a lot of like comic style drawing pictures in here. So it should be a very decently quick read. Very big print, too. So, we'll see what happens there. E-meter course. So, this has the E-meter course check sheet. Technical D grades, KSW, a lot of old policy letters and technical bulletins. So, this will help me learn with the E-meter and what certain terminology means. Staff Status 1 and Staff Status 0. Got 2 of them. More check sheets, orientation drill definitions, coaching, theory testing, demos, ARC. This is crazy. And then Staff Status 1 has more of the same things, theory of Scientology organization. So these are things that you read when you're going on staff. These are training parts things that you read for training. Wait. Oh, from ASHO Publications, American St. Hill Organization. This is the Staff Status 2 check sheet. So, yeah. Dev T, talking about, there is so much here. And I will get it all together for later evaluation and reading. This is What is Scientology? So they have more updated versions of this book. But here's some old pictures talking about like engrams and birth and training services, marriage co-auditing, success stories, executive training, supervisor training, CS training. There's a lot in here. Significant dates in Scientology organization development. So we'll take a look at all that. But either way, I think this is going to be very, very interesting. Social habits of Scientologists. So like alcoholic intake patterns, cigarette smoking, illness trends, living habits, lists of organizations. So what would they have in the eastern United States? They got missions, Nevada, California. It's not in any alphabetical order. There's eastern United States. Cambridge, which doesn't exist anymore. These are all missions. So, and these are all the lighter versions of Class 5 organizations. But I am looking forward to diving into so much of this. Lecture tape names and dates. So that'll help with looking for lectures, e-meters, all that stuff. So we got 3 staff status check sheets, the personal integrity course, Dianetics Today, Mission into Time, notes on the first 2 Dianetic lecture series, What is Scientology, and an e-meter course booklet. So that's what we got today. I think it's a pretty interesting find, and I can't wait to bring it upstairs and put it on my bookshelf and organize it and all that stuff. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Like if you like the video, dislike if you don't. I don't really care. Comment with your feedback or questions, good, bad, or sideways, and subscribe to be kept up to date on future content. I'll talk to all of you later. See ya.